Hi guys, welcome to new video. Today's video is going to be very interesting for you. Watch the video till the end if you want to learn the self-defense technique. If someone grabs your collar in the street or neighborhood and threatens you, then how to defend yourself by using this technique. So let's start the technique. And if you want to learn this technique, then don't miss any part of this video. If someone grabs your collar like this and just threatens you, then what should you do here? Step number one, you have to take a one step back like this. When you take a step back, your shirt will in his hand. Step number two, now you will grab his wrist with your hand like this. Now step number three, hold his wrist with your other hand like this. As you can see, step number one, hold his wrist with the first hand. Step number two, with the other hand. Now, step number four. Now you have to roll yourself under his arm and be careful. Don't to close him. If you close to him, you can't do roll. Now you can see, now I will roll myself under his arm. As you can see, like this, and you can see his wrist locked my shirt. If I press his wrist can be break. Now he is under of my control. Now we will show you this technique from the other side. Whether it work or not, we will do in fast motion. If you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel and share our video, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.